This is at the Cass Scenic Railroad State Park in Cass, Pocahontas County, West Virginia. This is one of the tourist trains getting ready to depart. This excursion goes to Whitaker Station, which is only 2 miles from here. So it's a 4-mile round trip, which they budget 2 hours for. So the train doesn't go that fast. They do give you some time at Whitaker Station. This is a departure at 11 at noon. There's another departure to Bald Knob, which is 4 miles one way, so 8 miles round trip. They tell you to budget 4.5 hours for that, including a half-hour stop up there. This is a Shay geared engine that was used for logging. There is an old mill down there behind those trees, ruins of a mill. I'll put a link in the video description here to a video I did about that. The way this is configured, it's going to push the train up the hill until it gets to a switchback, and it'll be pulling it in reverse. You see all the oiling they have to do on the gears.